Hello guys, we're going to chat real quick. This is Tracy, a political atheist, and this actually is not going to be a political video. It's had more to do with a major merger that happened, and nobody knew about it. If it wasn't for Heather Kahn, a needy homesteader, I wouldn't even know about it. Between McCormick has purchased Unilever Food Incorporated. Now, what does that mean for you and me? It means that McCormick now owns pretty much every brand of seasonings and spices that we buy. They own French's, mustard, Frank's, hot sauce. There's another hot sauce that's named after a state in Mexico. I'm not getting into that because it's not political. But McCormick now owns that company too. They own Thai Kitchen. Well, I gotta be honest. I've seen some Thai chefs, and they don't exactly endorse that brand. So we're not really at a loss if you don't buy it. Simple Asian. Those seasonings I do buy, I do like, and they are good. But now, McCormick owns it. They also own Knorr. You know, the broths, the noodles, and all that. Yeah, they own that now. So what does that mean for us now? Again, it means, like George Carlin said, you have the illusion of choice. We have fewer choices, fewer brands to choose from, and higher prices that we will be allowed to pay. Hell, we're going to be expected to pay. So, what are our choices? Do we have choices? Yes, we do, actually. We can start growing what we need. I'm going to purchase mustard seeds so that I can make mustard we need as we need it. This is not a good thing for you and me. Because while our choices are going to be restricted to either growing what we can or paying these outlandish prices. And keep in mind, store brand stuff is pretty much disappearing right in front of our eyes. Have you noticed that? I have. And we went to Walmart last Saturday in Frenchtown, Michigan, and there was no regular milk. None. Zip, zero, zip. It's like all the cows went on strike at once. And then a lady I watch on TikTok, Laura, she said yesterday in her life that their dairy was out. What in the hell is going on, people? That is what we need to be asking ourselves. We got major mergers of corporations. Our choices are diminishing. They are basically between grow what you can, buy what you can now, it's just, I, at 54, never thought we would get to this point. And the fact that this wasn't even talked about, if it wasn't for Heather Kahn, I wouldn't even know about it. Because nobody is talking about this merger and what it means. So I want to know this. What do you think? I'm going to leave you some resources that she shared in the description box. And have you walked into a store like I described that we went to last Saturday and seen absolutely zero milk? Or went out and seen absolutely zero dairy products? And what about the disappearing store brand products? Now, we already know the quality of our food is, well, let's be honest, shit. Okay? People, we're in a rock or hard place situation. What are your plans? What do you think? Did you know about this merger? I'll look forward to your answer.